There are a wide variety of older vehicles on the market today that lack wireless device connectivity, and with the worldwide chip shortages biting, we've seen automakers shipping vehicles lacking certain features like wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, the latest in that group being BMW. We've also seen problems with firmware which have led to automakers disabling features while they work on them, which we saw with our review of the Kia EV6. Although I've seen some rumours of that wireless Android Auto and CarPlay functionality being re-enabled. So today we're going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at this, which is the AA Wireless, a device that promises to add wireless Android Auto functionality along with over-the-air updates to itself to improve its own functionality to any vehicle that has a wired Android Auto connection. But first, we clicked on the bell icon, freezing breath on a laptop screen, lying and waiting. A woman on the YouTube page so mystic and soulful. A voice reaching out in a piercing cry. It says, why not like and subscribe? Yeah, right. No. But Transport Evolved's proprietary blend of fresh as a daisy news, reviews and context is supported by viewers like you, and by me mauling song lyrics. If you'd like me to stop or continue, hang out till the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can support the channel. Before we get started, sometimes devices come to us for a review. We've reviewed chargers, scooters, bikes, the NeoCharge and cars. All of those were review units sent to us for the purpose of testing and reviewing them. This isn't one of those devices. This was a personal purchase which I got because I have a very early Kia Niro EV. So despite having the dinky little 8-inch touchscreen, which in later model Niros does support wireless Android Auto, and despite reportedly having a chipset that could, if Kia chose to enable that function, support wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, it doesn't. Up until now I've used wired Android Auto, but since the cable has just started to die for the 4th or maybe 5th time, Kia's entertainment system is notoriously finicky about its cables. I started looking around for a solution that didn't involve me buying an infinite number of USB-C connectors. But since I'm not alone in wanting these functions, and AA Wireless has repeatedly been sold out along with its competitor, the Motorola MA1, we thought you all might like to know what's in the box and how it works first time. But before we get into that, let's just talk a bit about specs. This little box features, I believe, a Rockchip quad-core 1.3 GHz processor along with Bluetooth 4.2 support and Wi-Fi support for both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, supporting AC and N. All of that's to say it's overkill. That's in part due to the COVID-related chip crisis, meaning that the company says it's had to over-engineer to use parts that are actually available. Hopefully it should be quick enough because it's cost me about the same as 20 decent quality USB cables. Okay, so on to the unboxing. However, I'm given to understand that for unboxings you should have a special knife and a fancy pair of gloves, so give me a moment, I'll see what I can do. Okay, so fancy unboxing gloves on. These came free with a greenhouse, so that's definitely what I think people wear for those Instagrammer-like things, yeah. And it's a Stanley knife. I think that should do it. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Alrighty. Yes, I may have cheated and slightly opened it off camera. Okay. Well, it comes wrapped in cellophane, we can say that. I have no idea how people do this with the fancy gloves. I'm not big into the unboxing. I mean, you know it's a thing, but here we go. Alright, so in the box we have a USB cable and a very small box. Very small. And that's it! My god, that is the world's shortest unboxing. What it does have, however, is a QR code. So let's get a phone and we'll scan the QR code. Okay, so installing, the QR code takes you straight to Google Play. It allows you to install it. You can hit already got one, wireless Android Auto. We're not going to do Google Analytics because Google get enough money. Let's go out to the car. All right, so in the car we have our exciting little device. Let's undo that. Yeah, it's purple. That's very cute. And a reset button. Let's hit. I already have a device. Android Auto settings. Connected cars. Doesn't say that. Wireless projection is enabled. So I know it is because I've done that before. Let's start setup. Start engine. Tricky. Next. Plug in. Let's turn the heating on. Next. Is searching for the device. It's pairing with it. Link with AA wireless. Yeah. Allow it to have access to things. Launching, going forwards. Finish. Okay, so select device. Okay. The car at the moment is not identifying anything. Go to settings. USB mode. Okay. Okay, so it's currently got an out-of-date firmware on it, so we're going to try updating the firmware because at the moment the car is not recognizing it and is just displaying what it displays before a device is connected. So let's try updating it. Start update. Come on. Okay. Waiting for reboot. Continue setup on your car screen. Okay. Let's roll in again. Well, that seems to be working. And it's not significantly laggier than it normally is. So, that was pretty easy. Just needed a firmware update. Okay. So that is a quick and dirty unboxing of the AA Wireless Android Auto wireless adapter. We'll see how it performs long term. Like I said, it seems to work pretty well out the box, just needs a firmware update. But thankfully, I should be able to stop buying these, which will be nice because they tend to stop working on long journeys and then I am stuck without Android Auto. Kind of annoying. This device, I can just stick it in the car and leave it there. So I will give you an update on how it's performing when I do the 30,000 mile Kia Niro EV update, which should be soon. But for today, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it and we'll be back with more soon. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your thoughts below or in our free to join Discord chat room. There's a link below. If you haven't already, make sure you've subscribed to this channel and our other channel, Transport Evolve Take 2, and give the bell a gentle ding to make sure you're told when our next video goes live. And, of course, check your notification settings. Thanks on behalf of the entire TE crew go out to the folks on my right for being our $15 to $49 a month Patreon supporters. Special thanks to our $50 a month patrons Chris Maxwell, Bennett Elder, Brian Newton, David Kitchen, Michael Goad, Ricky Leong, Andrew Martin, Guido Drahota, Brophy Wolf, Tezza in the Gong, Gordon C, Stephen O'Donoghue, Kyle Hodgson, Anthony Coates, Regine Fellows, Rory Litwin, Jim Burness, Chris Ascenta and Denny Hyde, and our deepest gratitude to our $100 a month Patreon supporters Anonymous Freak, Marcel Ward, Reggie Watts, Joe Bresney, JP Fagerback, Will Graylan, Matthew Drobnak, John Lyons, Christopher Lee Jones, Andrew Glenn, Paul Conway, Laura Reynolds, Ellery Hensley, and, of course, Ian. Feeling left out, you can join Patreon at the link below, hit the join button below to show us your support on YouTube, or show us your support through Bitcoin, Ko-fi, or our cool swag store, links down there. If you're not in a position to do that right now, know that liking, sharing and commenting on our videos really helps support us too, and helps us with the all-powerful algorithm. Thanks for joining me, and as always, keep evolving.